Lady Gaga wears killer heels as she struts the red carpet for her latest murderous movie premiere. The star, 35, oozed Italian glamour in a sheer purple dress at the screening of House of Gucci, in London's Leicester Square. She plays Patrizia Reggiani, the ex-wife of fashion house boss Maurizio Gucci. Reggiani was jailed in 1997 for hiring the hitman who killed her ex-husband. Lady Gaga, who will be on the BBC's Graham Norton show on Friday, stars alongside Al Pacino, 81, Adam Driver, 37, and Jeremy Irons, 73. The movie is set for release on November 26.